So you want to enter recovery mode on your Hisense Roku TV for troubleshooting, updating, or restoring the system. So here's I'm going to show you how quickly you can access recovery mode. So first you have to unplug your TV from the power outlet. Then locate the small reset button on the back or side of the TV, and then you have to press and hold the reset button using your finger, pen, or a paper clip. So while still holding it, plug the TV back in and keep holding the reset button for about 20 seconds. And the TV will restart and you will see the Roku recovery screen. Now release the reset button, and from the recovery mode screen, connect your TV to the internet. Then select Update Now option. And the TV will check for update, install them if needed, and restart automatically. And that's it. That's how you can enter recovery mode on your Hisense Roku TV. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix369 till the end.